How to manage videos quality on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage video quality on YouTube easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube app. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and then go to the settings tab right here. Click on settings, and now you will find many options here. Choose all what you have to choose right now is go to video quality and preferences. Click on it, and right here you can manage quality as you want. You can choose higher or data saver or auto, and then it will be updated automatically. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.